Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about XYO network guys. In this video I'm talking about the huge urgent update for all XYO holders guys, so keep watch this video complete. And before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates video about XYO network guys. The right now price of XYO network is about 0.034848 USD dollar. That is the right now price of XYO network. And guys, furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes occurring in the XYO network, the last 1 hour changes is about positive 0.84%, the last 1 day changes is negative 5.97%, and the last 1 week changes is about negative 25.63% guys. So that's mean guys that the last 7 days price in the negative guys. From 7 days XYO network going in the loss, and yesterday also the XYO network price very badly dumps guys. So now guys, what should we do at this time guys? You know what, how you can save yourself from loss in a right now situation? Only one way guys. Just imagine, for instance, if you decide to sell XYO network in a right now situation. So in a right now situation, XYO network changes is negative. That's mean that you are in the loss guys. But other side, if you hold XYO network, so higher possibilities guys that the price changes will become positive and you get a profit guys. So that's why guys I recommend for you to please hold, don't decide to sell guys. Anyways guys, what you think about XYO network? What is your prediction? What is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos guys.